Listen, me dance bad. Me never finish school, me no know.
What's the tree name? Which tree?
Blue Magoon.
Take me with 5 and give me 2. Him dead the same way we say straight love.
Alright.
Oh, if you know that. I don't remember.
What about stand to my boss?
Why are you running?
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
Before this video begin, I want to give a big shout out to Bebito and Mo. Yeah, so guys, go over to their page, Bebito and Mo, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You know why? They're a Jamaican YouTube couple and them need no help to get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, the link to them channel I got be in the description box down below. So click the link, go to them page, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Trust me guys, them content lovely, them fun, and I be a madness them going with. So go by them page right now and just subscribe and help get them to 1K. You know the thing already, support your Jamaican YouTuber them and just tell them say Abbi and CAPO send you, watch their content. Yeah, so now back to the video.
What's up AC gang, you know your boy CAPO there, and today we in the street I do some public interviews. They don't know, Heroes Day come up to me say, you know what, they gonna ask people them what them think about Heroes Day and see what them know about Heroes Day and hear them, yeah. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Subscribe to Abbi and CAPO Comedy TV, Abbi's Madness and CAPO's TV, and just stay tuned for the banger video.
Can you turn the mask, please? Oh God.
She not feel good today.
I'm not even realize that you see this mask thing, it's unbecoming. Abbi and CAPO, I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You are so authentic. Team Abbi, of course, right through, right
God.
through.
You have Jamaican accent, I mean you must spend some time, yeah.
No. Look 1 month.
Yeah man, look at 1 month. Come ready boss. Alright guys, now we are here with
Kesson.
Chops.
Mikilia.
Vance.
Alia. May eat more clear.
Alright, yeah, take out the king of them. I know why you got choke. No.
Tashoy.
You talk to owners, the high priest.
Shanti.
Yeah,
Saxman.
Slim. Kimmy.
Do you know when is Jamaica's Heroes Day?
Monday.
October 17.
Monday coming.
The best month, October.
Yeah, but October?
Yes.
When is your birthday?
The 26th.
When you hear that? 26th. Wish you happy birthday people. No way about what you say. Put it on the $500 bill.
I think it's Nanny. Sam Trap.
Oh?
Nanny.
$500 bill a Michael Manley.
How long did Marcus Garvey serve as Prime Minister?
Oh, if you know that. I never banned in Marcus Garvey days.
Marcus Garvey was Prime Minister.
I don't know.
That time I'm in a band.
Yeah.
I never really studied.
Okay.
But I know it's 1887 I'm earth strong.
True.
Marcus Garvey was never a prime minister. He was never a prime minister.
I can't tell you that one day difficult. I never get to study that one that history class. Osh.
No idea.
Marcus Garvey was never a prime minister.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Alright.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
I don't know.
Just guess now?
I don't know. I don't remember. If I did not, don't remember.
I say about 20. No. Sorry about that. I say about 10 years.
Marcus Garvey was Prime Minister.
How many years Jamaica currently have?
How many years Jamaica early have?
7, 5. I have a two extra.
What extra them?
I think it's Sam Sharp and Nanny. I think it's Sam Sharp and Nanny, 2 extra.
Okay.
Only God is the only hero I have right now.
You know, so right now I'm not going to that. I left school long time, but I know them. You see me?
Oh, 7. I don't know.
Why are you running?
Mega win something?
When I was a kid, I won 7.
Well, me not lie. Me a 55-year-old and me just say 15.
Somebody come and look at this.
Yes, 7.
I wouldn't inform her that.
It's 7.
I remember a long time I did that, you know.
Okay. You can name any of them?
Nah.
Nanny of the Maroon.
Marcus Garvis.
I used to know them, you know, but
Paul Bogle.
Sam Sharp.
Manly, one of the man of them, no.
Yeah.
George William Garden, you see the whole of them.
Which ear is on the $5,000 bill?
Me have money? Me have money? Me have money? Me have money?
$5,000 bill.
I know you. I hear that.
Michael Manley.
Manly.
I don't remember, you know. Me I tell you the truth, I don't remember.
I don't think he's a hero, but he's Hugh Sharon.
I don't know. I don't remember if it's a man, not a soul, but I don't quite remember.
I know you wrote up on it, man.
Which ear is on the $5,000 bill?
I don't remember for Paul.
Alan Shearer.
No remember now who up on it.
Cause it's not the money with my fans, so I don't really remember.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know. Have a good day. You think Jamaica need new national heroes?
No! Jamaica need money. Jamaica need that right now.
No.
None?
No.
Bob Marley?
No.
Bolt?
No.
Vibes Cartel? Where man?
I feel like every day you know have a hero, man.
Andrew Wellness, him can go on.
Why?
I hear that man, ma teach you how to stay far from corona and him something there. He might help we and make the country better.
You may say, you see that on my call, you know.
Yeah.
I can't say who to be a hero from who not to be a hero.
I'm not gonna say no, but I'm not gonna say yes either.
Alright, I like her.
Bob Marley or Usain Bolt.
Shaggy.
Andrew Wellness can turn hero now.
Andrew Honest, why?
He might wall here. He might wall here. Him can turn a hero now.
For a man, a John and a man save him a hero that.
True.
We don't know about them man, them Marcus Garvey and Bogle. I know what is them there.
Yeah.
Man, nigga.
I would say Usain Bolt. He has put Jamaica out there on the map.
Beanie Man.
Right now, I'm not seeing a hero, you know, the God.
Honestly, myself, because I'm doing a lot as a single mother, so I am a hero.
Guys, they got all that single mother them.
I'm being honest, yeah, thank you.
Yeah man. Why we national flower?
Why would national flower?
Yeah.
Dumping.
Yeah, Lignum Vitae.
I do me some man. My old foot in a man. I pass that one day.
I'm Lignum Vitae. Flower?
Yeah.
The flowers. How the flowers name again?
Lignum Vitae. That?
You know, me no remember though.
As a FLOUR flower?
No, W.
The lignum vitae,
Alright.
the tree, I think it's a lignum vitae. The lignum vitae.
Yeah man, so right man.
Lignum Vitae. Yes, sir.
Blue Maho.
She belongs to the street.
Alright. How much parish they in Jamaica?
14.
14.
14.
14.
14, as usual. If you want to enhance it to 15.
Name 5 of them.
St. Anne.
St. Catherine.
Chow.
St. James.
Hanover.
I have Kingston. Chow.
Why is chicken back and rice Jamaica national dish?
Chicken back and rice is not Jamaica's national dish.
No, it's not. I said I can't solve it. It's a national dish.
Me used to eat it. I still eat it. Maybe that's why.
Okay.
Chicken back and rice is not Jamaica national dish. It's ackee and saltfish.
Because it is cheap and reasonable.
Chicken back and rice is not Jamaica national dish.
And that was my favorite dish, because my name is curry chicken back. Brown stew curry and bun up that.
Man, nigga.
Our.
Ackee and saltfish.
I can't stop it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
You sure?
Supposed to be.
Friday. How should I
What is it?
Ackee and saltfish.
What make?
What make? I don't make it. I don't know why.
You can cook it?
Yes.
Okay. What's our national tree?
Aki.
Boy, if you don't.
I don't know.
Blue Maho.
We have a national tree?
She belongs to the streets.
Oh.
It's supposed to be one and the same.
The same tree?
It's supposed to be one and the same. I don't know if there's not different one. Blue Magoon. Blue Magoon. Blue Magoon.
Somebody come and look at this.
What?
Me no remember. Blue Maho.
Alright.
Me never know that. Me never know that. Sorry.
Okay. Which parish me can find Mapen High School?
Mapen.
Got it!
I won't give you that one, because I don't want it. No, I don't know. Clarendon.
Where?
Clarendon.
Mapen High School. Mapen.
Got it!
Sure.
Clarendon. Clarendon.
If it's a Mapen, if Mapen, that school's supposed to be in Mapen. But if it's on a border, I don't know. I've never thought about it or looked it up, so I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, we want to big up before we go in.
Big up Abbi and CAPO. Yeah.
My baby father for life.
Big up my life, I big up all Rasta, the African people.
Ferncourt High School,
Big up
right
our school,
there.
big up
So
our school.
Ferncourt, best high school.
No, I'm not big up my Instagram page. I don't want nobody find me. I big up myself. Me know me.
Alright.
Follow me at Aledatazeet.
I do MoneyGram and not Instagram.
Oh, you know that?
Oh, out half a tree, my them, man. Oh, Cross and Pablo's, I see it, so.
Pinky over foreign, my daughter.
Yes, they are about play today.
Yeah, and you can also find me on YouTube, Washburn Stevens, so Saxman.
Yeah?
Follow me on Facebook. Attachich.com.
Follow my Instagram at miss.ms.avena. AVEENA.
So big up my son Dante, mommy love you bad, and my mother, my sister, my niece and nephew. That's
Alright.
I'm an hairstylist.
So now I want to big up your style place, man.
Not necessarily. No, it's neither here nor there because it is already
Established.
yeah, it's out in the open. This is Clock Tower. So yes, big up Clock Tower, yeah.
All of my friends big up my nice skin husband.
Yeah?
And all these things.
Climb right.
Marchpen Road 19, Big Tree, One Love Street, 20 odd years, and my man that. Best baby father that. Yeah. Take me with 5 and give me 2. Him dead the same way, we say straight love.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Abbi and CAPO, big up yourself. I like a ear texture.
Big up
I like a ear texture.
Alright people, let's move. Yeah. Yes guys, they reached the end of the video right now. Thanks for all who participate and all who watch the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and also share the video. Turn on notification bell. Follow up on Instagram down below. Subscribe to Abbi and CAPO Comedy TV, Abbi's Madness and also CAPO's TV. Go over to Bebito and More YouTube page and subscribe. Just help them get to the milestone. People, it's very important, so please try and get them to 1,000 subscribers. We need help, them need help, so go over there and subscribe, turn on the bell and just watch them content, you understand? And just stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, your boy CAPO is out!